Al-Biruni from the 25th of the 7th month of 1446. Regulated customs were considered superior by Al-Biruni. Uneducated masses were as of different religions, but he was trying to understand the others. Politics is still uncertain and beyond such things as who is inferior. Mostly, he was a man promoting skill and scientific philosophy. Time and space were a focus of his analytic geology. The trace of his works includes of stones and drugs. Where others are right, we are not to give a shrug. Caring not what another thinks, we should tug our responses into merging with reason. And Abu Rihan al-Biruni is someone who had probably 130 or more works that no trace of remains. And he was a Persian, and Khwarezm under the Ziyarid and Ghaznavid dynasties is when he lived. His work for the Ghaznavid was something he was more known for. Physics, mathematics, astronomy, history, chronology, language, that sort of stuff. Biruni is the Persian origin of his name, so outskirts. But it seems that he probably didn't encounter a lot of the information that he wrote about firsthand. He tried to understand why other people thought some things religiously or otherwise, whether or not he agreed with them. And when people were critical of him, he kind of, it's like, so what? And just went his way. And that's how we should be, is that if we're trying to combine religion and reason, then what we're doing is sound. Authentically doing that sort of thing. And so he's not as known for looking into religion, but definitely that's the focus of our channel. And a lot of what he would have said about India seems to be lost. And by what I mean different religions is like the popular people, they may have a label, but the people who actually try to refer to their books and try to find out, well, why do we do this and should we do this and that sort of stuff, they're totally different people. Like I've seen people who know Arabic very well, and they hear the Quran and they will say something about their culture and support something about their culture that they were raised in that's contrary to what we just heard or something like that. And the same thing is true in India. The people who read the scriptures or listen to those scriptures and understand what they're saying tend to have a different method of life, and specifically the religious aspect, than those who just, go about and follow the holidays.